All right, video number one. This is section 2.1 in the book. Average and instantaneous speed. These are going to be fast because I have a 5-minute limit on my videos. So let's start with the idea of average rate of change. We know that an average rate of change is just the change in y over the change in x. And in this case, if we've got some function y equals a function of time, we could say that the function value at time plus some small increment minus the value at wherever we started, what time we started, divided by the change in time, gives us our average rate of change, also known as average speed, depending on the problem. And often what we do is instead of delta t, we give that just the symbol h, and y will become clear a little bit later, which means that our average rate of change is f of t plus h minus f of t divided by h. I don't know if you guys can see the big followy thing along here. It's a bit annoying. If you can't, that's great. So, example problem, if you're following along in your book, this is example number one. And we've got a rock falling off the top of a cliff. We've got 2 seconds of falling time. We want an average speed. And we know that the function f of t is 16t squared. This is true for all gravity on Earth. And so we know that our average speed, change in y over change in time, is 16 times 0 plus 2 squared minus 16 times 0 squared divided by 2. And of course, that is 32 feet per second. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here and start a new one for the next problem. Why don't you go do exercise 1 in the book? And this is again section 2.1.